This is
一
and this is
不，不要，不去，不对，不骂，不会，一次，一叫，一件，一动，一项。
When you have a word that's fourth tone followed by
不
or
一
it becomes the second tone.
不一
On the other hand, when your second word is first, second or third tone
不
and
一
become fourth tone. Example,
不吃，不相信，不行，不能，不买，不懂，一只，一间，一条，一层，一起，一种。
think. Remember those rules. Keep remembering. Remember the rules. You better remember. Go! To recap.
This is
不
and
E when your second word is,
嗯
then it's
不一
but when it's,
嗯
then it's
不一
It's practice time. Put the correct tone on the
不
and
一
in the sentence.
你不可以说谎。我不在家。我们在一块。我睡了1小时。